Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 16b, in which we will take Arabic grammar. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 66 words which occur almost 23,650 times in the Quran. Make sure to use TPI while practicing grammar, which is hear it, see it, think it, say it, show it, love it, and do it together. In today's lesson, we will take the preposition ala, which means on, with he, him, ka, he, kum, na, and ha, which occur almost 1400 times in the Quran. You know, ala means on. And the example is Assalamu alaikum, all peace be on you. So ala means on. Therefore, alayhi means on him. Can you translate? Alayhi, on him. Alayhim, on them. Alayka, on you. Alayya, on me. Alaykum, on you all. Alayna, on us. Once again, alayhi, on him. Alayhim, on them. Alayka, on you. Alayya, on me. Alaykum, on you all. Alayna, on us. MashaAllah. Now, before taking spoken Arabic, let's take two words. Dain means loan and ma means no. Another meaning is what? But here we are taking it in the meaning of no. Ma means no. May Allah protect us from loans. Let us say that none of us have any loans. So I will ask, is there loan on him? You will say, no, there is no loan on him. Or in Arabic, la ma alayhi dain. No, not upon him loan. For practice, we keep it simple and say, ma alayhi dain. So, can you answer me in Arabic? Hal alayhi dain? Ma alayhi dain. Hal alayhim dain? Ma alayhim dain. Hal alayka dain? Ma alayya dain. Hal alaykum dain? Ma alayna dain. MashaAllah, none of us have dain on us. Also note that Rabbihi means his Rabb. By the way, Rabbuhu means his Rabb. Rabbihu also means his Rabb, but to make it simple, Arabs have made it Rabbihi. So Rabbihi means his Rabb, Rabbiha means her Rabb. Bihi, in him, biha, in her. Fihi, in him, fiha, in her. Alayhi, on him, alayha, on her. So we can say hal alayha dain. So you can say ma alayha dain. MashaAllah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. May Allah help us to recite, understand, and ponder, implement, and propagate the Quran. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.